close your eyes for a minute and just breathe easily and imagine the cosmic consciousness, the bigness, the vastness of it, and pouring down from the cosmic consciousness through your crown chakra. Imagine and feel gold liquid light. Gold is the color of divine love. And this is a liquid light. We've done light before, but this is a liquid light. It's part liquid, it's part light. It's pouring into your crown chakra, pouring down into your entire body. Just feel it pouring into your head, down your spine, flooding your entire body with liquid light, iridescent gold liquid light. It fills your entire body, fills all of your chakras and your cells, your organs, all the way down to your toes and your fingertips. Expands outside of your body. Now imagine you're in a beautiful pyramid. The gold liquid light is still flowing into your body, and you're now in a beautiful pyramid. Whatever kind of pyramid makes you feel protected and safe. It could be a crystal pyramid or a granite pyramid, and whatever size works for you. It could be just your body that's protected. The pyramids are one of many sacred symbols of sacred geometry, and it has protective powers. So it could be surrounding your body, it could be surrounding your home, your full property, your neighborhood, as large as you want it to be. And that gold liquid light is still flowing into your body from the cosmos and filling up your pyramid that's protecting you. It's shielding you from all of the crazy energy. The gold liquid light is healing in your body. The pyramid is protecting you. And as that gold liquid light flows into your body, also pay attention to your nervous system. All of the nerves in your body, the big nerves, but even the tiniest little nerves. Fill them up and surround them with that gold liquid light. That healing, soothing, loving energy, and the protection of the sacred geometry of the pyramid. Just feel that energy. Now let's reclaim our power. As you look around you with your inner eyes, see the cosmic consciousness. Everything that ever was, everything that is, and everything that ever will be. Look around and see it. See the stars and the planets and the galaxies and the solar systems. All of that power, all of that energy. That's your inside and protected by the cosmic consciousness. Now envision with your inner eyes That entire cosmic consciousness is within you. That power is within you. You have the power of all of the galaxies, all of the solar systems. You have the power that created worlds, that created the mountains, that created you. You're in the cosmic consciousness. The cosmic consciousness is within you. You're in the cosmic consciousness. The cosmic consciousness is within you. Feel the power of that. That gold light is pouring into your crown chakra, continuing to soothe and love your divine body, your divine consciousness, your divine experience on planet Earth. Your personal pyramid is protecting you from any energies that aren't supporting you or that are draining you. You are fully protected by this beautiful sacred geometry. You are in the cosmic consciousness, and it is within you. Stay there for a moment. I'm going to be quiet for a moment. Come back when you're ready, but I want you to blend those three things for yourself. Just blend it all together.